Hello, my name is Mario Vega. I'm a student engineer electronic. The object of this video is describe a monument as an activity of a course English 3 UNAT University. I selected the monument Rebecca. This monument is located in the San Diego neighborhood in the downtown Bogota, near of Colpatria building, over the Avenue 13. The principal importance of the monument was the representation the nude woman collecting water with your jug. For this time, the word woman wasn't appreciated. The Rebecca is composed of a woman who represented the Isaac's wife, and fountain that represent to Poseidon, god of mythology. This monument has suffered various damages for vandalism, and they began for the society that for this time no accepted your content. The Rebecca had various locations. She was made in Italy by Marmoleria Tito Ricci. In the arrival to Colombia, she was installed in the Bicentenary Park. The 19th of July of 1926 at the night. In this event participated my president Pedro Nelo Spina and your Minister of the Public Works, Laureano Gomez. I should like make you an invitation. What will you think about Bogota? We may be going to the Rebecca Monument using the byway in Sunday. Can we visit other sites and take some pictures? Let's go, my friend. I'm waiting for you. Bye.